everybody, it's Kelly and I have something special for you today. I am participating in a hop for World Photo Day today. So I chose one of my favorite photos of my great nephew. It's a silly photo of him in this really fun hat with those really chubby cheeks. And I decided to back it on that blue plaid paper. That is from Elle Studio Family Fun, and it's from the 6x6 paper pad. And then I'm liking that red chevron paper, which is also from the Family Fun 6x6 paper pad. So I love the camera there because it's World Photo Day and it's a favorite photo. Now I'm just kind of trying to figure out what background I'm going to use. And I decided the hearts were too much. The plaid was the wrong red, I really think, but the scale is good. And I like this sort of grid. So the hearts, if you heard that, that was my cat sneezing. Sorry, guys. Anyway, the hearts were just a little bit too distracting. And then the polka dots, that one polka dot was the wrong color. So now I am thinking about also using these hearts with that chevron. But again, I'm thinking that the hearts are not right with this kind of diagonal 6x6 pad piece of paper too. I didn't like the pink behind it. So a lot of this is scale. When you do paper layering, you want to look at scale. So you want to have a small print, a large print, and then a medium print. And my large prints here are probably the two other papers, the 6x6 papers. And then the medium print is more the black and white photo or camera paper, but really the three papers on top there are almost medium print. So I'm throwing this out a little bit. I think I can get away with it because the black camera paper is so neutral, and I think that allows me to do this. Otherwise it might not work. So let's talk about the camera paper. That is from an Amy Tangerine collection, and I'm not exactly sure which one. I had used part of it, and so it was cut off. So I don't know. I'd already cut off the border strip for this to use it for something else. That 3x4 card that says this week is from Elle Studio, and I just keep those in a basket. If you want to see how I store things, I do have a playlist of things for my organization and scrap room, and I have two videos on how I do that, and I might do a new one someday soon because I have changed things around a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit from how it was organized at one point. Then that background paper, the red background paper with that little kind of grid on it, you can kind of see it, is from Doodlebug. It's the Petite Prince, and it's the Ladybug gingham linen. I love Doodlebug for background papers. They are awesome for those, and there's a whole series of different colors. Unfortunately, one of those I only have two LSS, so local scrapbook stores even anywhere near close to me anymore. One of them I'm pretty sure is going out of business. I was there a week ago and there was almost nothing left, which made me sad, and they definitely had not gotten anything new in a long time, so I'm sad about that. And then the other one doesn't carry embellishments, so I'm probably going to end up shopping online soon, which that makes me sad. I remember the heyday when I probably had 5 or 6 of them in my area. Anyway, I am at that point. I was doing something with my iPad. I tend to watch scrapbooking videos or Netflix when I'm scrapbooking, so that's probably what I was doing, was figuring that out. So I chose this glitter alphabet here from American Crafts Stickers. It's the Cherish alphabet in denim. I love this alpha. It's one of my favorites. I will also be sad when this goes away. And so I decided to use the hashtag there because I looked and figured it wouldn't be long enough if I didn't. And so it's going to be the title of this will be hashtag Drooler, which you also already know because you've seen the name of this. My great nephew, he's a drooler, really. That child, oh my gosh. And so I loved that he was kind of sleeping in his car seat there with his hat over his eyes and he's drooling away. So just like I said, I chose this as one of my favorite photos for World Photo Day. And speaking of that, please make sure you check out the description of my video, because I will have all of the other ladies who are participating in the hop. And thanks to Natalie Bowers especially, because she sponsored this hop. We have a group of collaborators here that we will do things kind of on a monthly basis. I do know for September we won't, because Natalie will be involved in Scraptember. So make sure you check that out on Facebook, because and I'm involved in that as well. Natalie, Miranda Weber, and Laura Alberts will be doing some stuff for that. But anyway, back to this. There's a great group of ladies doing videos today in honor of World Photo Day, and make sure you definitely check them all out. Lots of talent here. And again, I have scrapbooked myself taking photographs and that kind of a thing, so that's why I didn't do anything like that or about my love of taking photos, because I have scrapbooked that more than once in my own personal scrapbooks. When I get to embellishing, though, I will definitely add some photo-themed embellishments, which I'll show you in just a second. And what I am doing here is I'm having to MacGyver some P's into R's. So I just took, and I think it was a K, I wasn't watching enough, but I just took the leg and made an extra leg on that R. So that makes my my alphabets last a lot longer. So here's where I told you I was going to bring in some photo embellishments, and I have these puffy camera stickers from Freckled Fawn. Oh my gosh, you guys, words are hard today. So some Freckled Fawn camera stickers, and those are puffy stickers. I don't know if they're still available, but so I got them on sale. But I really like how they add that little photography thing into this. Then I grabbed this printable from Elle Studios, and that is where that Oh Happy Day piece came from. And then I'm kind of trying to figure out what to do on this other side as well. Kind of liked that house, but it was a little bit too square. I really like this label here, and that again is from Elle Studio. And I just have a, you can see my case just to the right there. I group my labels and that kind of thing from Elle Studio into those cases by color. I group like color families, like I have a cool color family one and a warm color family one, and then the neutrals, which are what you're seeing on the upper right there, and then here's the cool ones, and I just grab things as I need them. So I found this little piece that said all the good stuff, which I thought was kind of funny. Not sure that drooling is good stuff. I mean, he had to wear a bib for a long time because he would soak his clothes. It was funny. Maybe not so funny if you were his mama, but it was funny if you were his great aunt. So that all the good stuff is from Elle Studio as well. And I just like being able to kind of paw through those when, sort through those when I want a little bit of something to help cluster. So that's what I use those for. All right, so I'm going to have a little bit of trouble getting this straight here, but I will finally do it. And I kind of like that because then the corner on the bottom there is not so stark. There's a little something there. It's kind of interesting because a lot of times I would put a third cluster up there, and really my clusters are all towards the bottom. I think part of it is because this is so busy with that camera background paper there. So I kind of let it be. Then I'm adding these puffy star stickers, and those are from Elle Studio. And then you're not going to see this on camera, but I added 3 phrase stickers when I was all done. I had forgotten that I wanted to do that. And those are all from Simple Stories Little Dude, the 4x6 phrase stickers. So, and they have nothing to do with being well, I guess King of Cute is kind of a dude thing. So make sure you check out the still shot and the detail shot, and those are all coming up right now. You'll see those phrase stickers there. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another video again soon. Bye.